So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this one is something the quick one. So in previous video we have already discussed about how we can create a free Databricks community edition account, how to start with notebook, and we also explain you what is the workspace and how we can start with a notebook. Okay. So in this video I'm just explaining with you that how we can start with a catalog. Okay, so here if you can just click on the catalog, so catalog is nothing but the storage which is provided by Databricks. So inside that, if you have any cluster assigned, so all the details it's visible here. So if you just click on the database, it is something which is provided by Databricks and it is respected to cluster. So if you can see cluster is unavailable, select another cluster. So means first thing you need to understand, if you are using the free community edition, once your cluster is get terminated, you need to create a new cluster. Okay, so as soon as you are creating the new cluster, it is something new for this Databricks. So that's why your previous cluster details should not be get back. Okay, it get you can say it get vanish. Okay, so just to check on that, we see now our cluster is up and running now as I shown here. So our cluster is up and running, so that's why we can see this Databricks, oh sorry, default in database. So as soon as you terminated your cluster, it get vanish, and if you are creating the new one, then again you need to start with the new database. Okay, so hope you understand. And database is the similarly, it is nothing but the medallion. Sorry, it is nothing but the catalog, which is the three-layer architecture. It contain your catalog name, then your schema name, nothing but the database name, and post that it will consider your the table name or view or function, whatever it is. So now, if you are, and yes, one more thing is if you want to create your table, you can click on this create and post that. You can add your required details or you can select the path, and but again it get vanish as soon as you are trying to enter your new if you want to start your new cluster. So just to consider here, instead of only database, if you want here DBFS, it is nothing but the folder structure or it's a file format provided by the Databricks. So just to enable that, we need to go to this setting option. Okay, inside the setting, you can go to the advanced section. Here in advanced section, you can search it DBFS, or you can just go down to the option, I think other or option. Yeah, go to the other section. Here we have the option called DBFS file browser. Okay, so now we can enable it. So as soon as we enable it, and if you go back to the catalog part, now here there is nothing called as DBFS. But if I refresh this page, yes, if I refresh, go back to the catalog, now here I can see the DBFS path. So if you can go to the DBFS, now you can maintain it as your folder structure, and this data should not get vanish, or you can say should not get terminated or deleted until and unless you are doing it manually. Bus, that's it. So hope you understand. In database table, it get vanish as soon as your cluster is get restarted, because in Databricks Community Edition we are not using single cluster every time. Once your trust cluster is get terminated, your all this data get vanish or it get destroyed or dropped. Okay, so that's why we are using this DBFS. It is nothing but the file system where your all the data keep as it is. So yes, hope you understand. If it's really understandable for you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm expecting some support from you guys. Thanks you.